Hey, we're doing it big. Another edition of a Gator Review. It's game day tomorrow. All the work. Finally, we get to play somebody in a different jersey. Our defense is so excited. They don't know what to do. Offense, we're excited also. So it's going to be an exciting time. As you can see behind me, we got Ahmad Cuts in the building. Carlos Miller brought his crew over here, and they cutting hair today, and they're charging each kid nothing. Free of charge. So when you talk about giving back, put your money where your mouth is. Shut your pockets off and find a way to give back. Those guys came over after being at work all day on their feet to cut our guys' hair. And if you look at the headshots on our website of our players, you can tell they really do need a haircut. And I do too. I got a little gray hair, and I think that gray hair comes from that 4-6 record last year. But we're excited about what's going on here at Escambia. We're right next to the Players Lounge. Who do you know that has a Players Lounge in high school? Video games, flat screens, computer, refrigerator, microwave, iron board, iron. It's going down right here at Escambia High School. Free haircuts. I'm finna get me one. And when I get a nice haircut, my wife is really happy. And that makes me happy. We're doing it big. Orange and blue. I want to see you in orange tomorrow. I don't care if you're in Walmart, the grocery store, B4 Brady's, even if you're not going to leave the house tomorrow. Walk around your house in orange. We all look better in orange, baby. Thanks so much, Ahmad Cuts, for coming. Really appreciate it. 7:30 tomorrow night is the game. It's going to be live in the swamp. We're really excited. Our freshmen play the first quarter. Second quarter is our JV. The second half is going to be freshmen playing against West Florida. All right, so make sure you come out and check us out. Thanks so much.